Hi, so let us continue with our project. In this section, we will be doing feature engineering and feature encoding. These two things we will be looking here. So see, let me make a text here. Feature engineering. See, what we are doing in feature engineering, we create new informative features from the existing variables. So these features generally they help us to improve the model performance, and they sometimes help in capturing some hidden relationship between the data. So in this project we will be making two new variables. One will be balance to salary ratio and other will be tenure by age feature. So let us begin with the balance by salary. Balance to salary ratio. So nothing, simply we have to add a new column in the data frame. Balance to salary. This will be equals to df of balance divided by df of salary. I think the name is estimated salary. Just for convenience, I will use df.columns. Okay, so I have here df.columns. Here estimated salary. This is the exact column name. I'll put it here. And it is done. Let me now check my data frame. Just a second. df.head. See here, balance to salary ratio, I have one new column here. Similarly, I'll make one more feature, tenure by age. Let me put a text column, tenure by age. Now, so df of tenure by age. Simply, I will make here, I will divide tenure by age. Tenure, and this has to be divided by df of age. So we have added two new features. If we see the shape of our data frame, df.head, df.head we are getting here. See, tenure by age is there, and if I check the shape, it is 13. From 11 it has become 13 now. I will delete this column. I had simply used it for my convenience. So here we have it. I will delete this one also. So the feature engineering part is completed. Now next part in this will be feature encoding. Feature encoding. Feature encoding we are doing for the categorical values. Our models, all the machine learning models, they require numerical inputs. So we need to encode our this categorical values into numerical representation. We will be using two methods. There are generally two methods, label encoding and one hot encoding. Here we will be seeing both of them. So let us begin with first label encoding. This we will be applying on the gender. See, gender has only two variables, male and female. So that is why label encoding is suitable here. For this, we will we'll import our library from Scikit-learn dot preprocessing import label encoder. So spelling mistake, encoder. Library is successfully imported. Now we'll make an object for it. Le equals to label encoder. Le in here it has to be equal to, and now we will fit it on our gender. So df of gender, this will become le dot fit underscore transform df of gender. I have made a small mistake here. Le dot fit underscore transform gender. Okay, here. Here df has to be I seem to have made mistake at the quotation. Okay, it is done. Let us see now. We'll just see df of gender. Okay, so it has become from male female to 0 and 1. This is done. Now we will move on to the second one. Here we will be applying one hot encoding, and this will be done for geography. If you remember, we were having three locations: France, Spain, and one more. Total 3 locations were there. So here we cannot apply label encoder because some ordinal values will start coming into it. So here, that is why we will apply one hot encoding. I want to show you that graph. See, France, Spain, and Germany, we are having 3 locations. So for this, we will do df equals to pd dot get dummies. We have to provide the whole data frame and the column. Which column we want to apply the label in this one hot encoding. And here we will say drop underscore first is equals to true. Here it is done. Now let us check our data frame. See, we will be having here at the end geography of Germany, geography of Spain, and by default if both are false, then the third one, that is geography of France, will be true. So that is why we had done drop underscore first equals to true. So this is all for this video. Now in the next video we'll be doing we will be identifying the target variable, we will be separating them, and we will be splitting the data set. So let's see in that. Thank you.